OK, you can see the shape of your surface. In the direction 1, select the offset from surface mode and change the offset value to 15 mm. Check the translate surface. You can click on reverse direction. Change the direction 1 back to the blind and 360 degrees. And in the profile twist, change it to the specify twist value and increase the angle of twisting. And see the changes on your model up to 90 degrees. And see it. In the blue box, select this open curve as your center line. Now you can see the new shape of your lofted surface model. And finally OK the command and see the result surface model. See the preview. And you can OK the command. This is a very important and useful command. And change its parameter value. And see their changes in the suitable orientation view. OK. And click on the middle point of edge. And change its radius to 35 mm. Change the smooth transition and straight transition radio button. And see the shape of fillet. Right-click on the command and this time choose the Remove Selection radio button. And select this area inside of Trim tool and OK the command. The same result is shown. Now increase the distance and see the result surface in yellow color. In the patch boundary blue box, select all edges of this rectangular cut. OK. In the parameters, increase the reverse direction value to 24. And OK the command. It's very good. Hide the solid part body and see your target surface. You can see the new form of surface. That's very good. Select this horizontal conic body. You can see the result curves in yellow color. OK and finish the command. Check the taper helix box. And increase the angle value. And see the changes on your helix curve. And in the replacement surface blue box, select this surface. OK the command.
First start with the Create command series. Create box is the first. Click and run it. In the Selection Utility tab, default is turns on all selection types. Move the mouse cursor on model. As you see, you can detect faces or edges or vertex. Test it more and more. For example, click on this face and then drag the Z-axis on coordinate system. As you see your surface model. This is the main property of Power Surfacing plugin that's never be in other surface modeling environments in SolidWorks software. Change its parameters. Cancel this command and again click on the Create Cylinder command. In the cylinder options, change the dimension of sides, radius, and height, and also increase their segments. And OK the command. You can see the sharp edges change to smooth shapes. Select this face and run the command. In the distance type 100 mm. In number of sections type the 7. Rotation angle of extrusion. Increase this item to twist the model around its vertical axis. Also with drag the green arrow on the graphic area you can do it. As you see the two selected faces merge to each other. Increase the number of segments. And see the changes on your model. Okay, you can see the changes on its model. That's good. Select this face again and run the smooth edge command. You can see the shape of surface. Now using the power surfacing commands to complete this tutorial. Now using the power surfacing commands to complete this tutorial. Now using the power surfacing commands to complete this tutorial. In the design tree see the point cloud 1. You must activated the scan to 3D plugins. And click on next icon. Constructing mesh progress is appear. The software changes the point cloud files into mesh files. In this step you can smoothing the mesh by move its slider in global smoothness. Fill holes. Keep all holes in the blue box and click next. Now OK the command. In the command manager and feature. And we can change the mesh to the surface. With the spline command connects this point. Now use the fillet command. Make the thickness with this surface to make it solid body. N. With the spline command connects this point. Use the project curve command to make this 2D curves to 3D curves. With the lofted surface command make this shape body.